Hello there. We haven't quite reached Halloween yet, but as you wake up on Tuesday morning, you might be greeted by some eerie mist and fog. It's due to the clearing skies and lighter winds that many of us will see throughout the night. The showers across Scotland tending to fade away, bar from the far north, and clear intervals persisting for many other areas as well, allowing that mist and fog to develop. Underneath those clear skies, temperatures will be taking a bit of a tumble as well, particularly in the west for Northern Ireland, where a touch of frost is possible, some rural locations getting down to as low as -2 degrees Celsius. So it will be a fairly chilly start to Tuesday morning, particularly so where some of this fog lingers, Northern Ireland, Wales, down into central southern areas of England. The sun not quite strong enough to clear this until around 10 o'clock in the morning, but once it does so, plenty of sunshine throughout the rest of the day, and Tuesday is looking like a fairly fine day to get out and about. Where you are out in the sunshine, temperatures not doing too bad for the time of year, highs of 14 degrees in Scotland and 18 degrees across southern areas of England. It's also here where we'll see the cloud, though, developing across Devon, Cornwall, the winds strengthening as well, and it's due to an area of low pressure that is sat out in the Atlantic. As we move towards the second half of the week, this low pressure will begin to shift its way northwards, and the weather fronts associated with it will also bring showers and outbreaks of rain and generally a more unsettled period to come. We'll begin to see the influence of this low pressure centre then as we move throughout Tuesday evening. The cloud spreading its way northwards, some showers and outbreaks of rain developing. These could be heavy at times with the risk of some thunderstorms across southwest England. Underneath this lowering cloud, it will be quite murky, and that will bring in some milder air as well, with those winds coming up from the south, areas in the southwest not really dropping below double digits. Ahead of that frontal system in the north, though, it will retain that cooler and fresher air, so a touch of frost is still possible across the far north of Scotland as we wake up on Wednesday morning. So a bit of a mixed picture as we move throughout the day. The cloud continuing to push its way northwards now across Northern Ireland into other areas of England and southern Scotland. Still the risk of those heavy showers in there and the odd rumble of thunder. It's the far north of Scotland, the Highlands, the Northern Isles that are going to continue to see the brightest and clearest skies over the course of Wednesday. Temperatures again in the south, where we're feeding in those southerly winds, will be on the mild side, around 17 degrees Celsius, but just that bit fresher still in the far north. As we move throughout the rest of the week, that low pressure centre then is staying with us, so we do have a few more showers to contend with. With those southerly winds, though, it is going to stay rather mild, particularly in the south, climbing towards highs of 20 degrees Celsius, which is rather warm for the time of year. The showers potentially more widespread over the course of Friday, and we'll continue to see a few of them as we push into the weekend as well. You can catch a full forecast for the week ahead on our YouTube channel, and of course we'll keep you up to date on all our social media channels as well. And we'll see you later. Bye bye.